Hi guys, I'll be doing the TMI tag, so let's get started. What are you wearing? I'm just wearing a necklace that my boyfriend gave me, a baby pink shirt and a jean skirt, a puffy jean skirt, nothing too fancy. Ever been in love? I would say yes. Yes, I've been in love. Ever had a terrible breakup? No, I've never had a terrible breakup. That's one thing I'm glad for. How tall am I? I am 5'4", 5'5", in between there. How much do I weigh? Currently, I'm not 100% sure. I fluctuate between 120 and 125 and 128. Last time I checked was when I went to the doctor and I was 128. Any tattoos? No. Any piercings? Currently, OTP, I don't know what that means, and I don't recall what the other girl said in their video. My favorite show as in series is right now Supernatural. Yeah. Oh, and Grey's Anatomy. I love Grey's Anatomy. Favorite band? I don't have one. Something you miss? My mom. Even though that's not a thing, as a person, having my mom around, that's something I miss. Favorite song? My favorite song right now is Janae Aiko, Ho, or just her entire album, but right now Ho. I really like that song. I don't know why. How old am I? I am 23. Zodiac sign is Capricorn. Quality you look for in a partner? Just somebody that has a great personality and can get along with me. Favorite quote? It's a quote by Marilyn Monroe, and I'll put it up in the picture. I can't recall it word for word right now. Favorite actor? My favorite actor is Will Smith. I love him. He is always real in his acting and stuff. Favorite color? I have 3 favorite colors, and that is purple, turquoise, and pink. Loud music or soft music, it depends on the mood that I am in. So yeah. Where did you go, or where do you go when you're sad? I stay in my bed most of the time, so when I'm sad, I'm in my bed all day. How long does it take me to shower? The showering part of it takes me about 20 minutes to half an hour. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Including off showering, it takes me approximately an hour. I don't really take long because most of the time I'm not putting on a whole lot of makeup like this, so it doesn't really take me long. Ever been in a physical fight? No, I'm not one to fight. I do like confrontation. I will just ignore a person. Turn on. I don't know. Turn off. Bad breath. Yeah. Reason I joined YouTube. Reason I joined YouTube was because I just wanted a hobby. I just wanted something to do with my spare time. I love makeup and it was a way for me to practice. Yeah. Fears. My fear is weird, and it is that there would be nobody at my funeral. I know it's weird, but that's one of my fears, that there won't be anybody, because I'm a kind of loner. I'm fearing that I won't have anybody at my funeral. Like it's weird. I know I'm weird. Last thing that made you cry. I cry a lot. So I can't really remember. I think I was almost in tears a while ago because I missed somebody. Yeah, but now they're here, thank God. Last time you said you loved someone, I think it was the day before yesterday. Yeah, a couple days ago. Meaning behind your YouTube name. The meaning behind my YouTube name is that sorry if you can hear my dogs. It's that I'm Jamaican, and that's where the area code come from, 876, and Barbie is because I love Barbie. I love it in the sense that, you know, there's a different kind of Barbies and she's always good at what she does. Yeah, so where am I? Last book I read, just something for school. Wasn't anything interesting. I don't really read apart from for school. That's bad, I know. I'm not currently reading any books, so last show I watched, I was just watching Family Guy. No, American Dad. One of those two. Last person you talked to? I talked to both my dad and my boyfriend a while ago because they're both here. Relationship between the last person I text. The last person I text was my boyfriend. The last person that texted me was my schoolmate. So my favorite food is chicken, any kind of chicken, and apart from that, it's pizza. I love me some pizza. Place you want to visit. I was talking about this with my best friend the other day, and I want to visit Paris. Yeah, Paris is one of the places I want to go, or Australia. I think it's interesting. So, last place I was Kitty. The last place I was in the bathroom. Or the last place I traveled to was the United States. I don't know. Do you have a crush? No. I think I'm too old for crushes now. If I like somebody, I like somebody. Last time you kissed someone? A couple days ago. Um, last time you were insulted. I can't recall. You guys hear my kitty? Okay guys, so my battery died at this point, so I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest of it. My favorite sweet is watermelon Jolly Rancher. Instrument do I play? I was learning to play the piano. I don't really know to play no instrument. Favorite piece of jewelry is the one that I was wearing in the video from my boyfriend. Last sport I played was probably tennis, and that's many years ago. Last song I sang was Janae Aiko, whatever her name is, Aiko, Stranger. Favorite pickup line, I don't have one, so I don't use one. Last time you hung out with anyone was yesterday. I was hanging out with my friend Shin Shin. Hey girl. And who should answer these questions? Anyone that does a video, but I'm not sure if naturally Miss Toya did this tab, so I'm tagging her, and I'll list the rest of persons below or in the video or something. Alright then. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to like, comment and subscribe.